Welcome to the third video in this bedroom makeover series. So far, the walls have been transformed from boring to bougie. We built the Cozey Ara bed frame, which looks stunning, and I'm impressed with the solid construction. But there's just one major thing missing. A luxury bed deserves a luxury sleep experience, so we've partnered with Cozey to test out their mattress and bedding and turn this setup into a 5-star hotel experience. First of all, a huge win. Direct-to-home delivery in just one box. It's so much easier than moving around a huge fluffy mattress. While we unbox, let's talk specs. Cozey mattresses are proudly made in Canada. It uses Serene foam, meaning it's highly temperature regulating, no waking up overheated, and it features incredible motion transfer reduction. So if you sleep with a partner or a restless pet, you won't feel a thing. The mattress is a medium firm feel, which is the sweet spot for comfort and support. When first unboxed, it feels like a medium soft mattress and you sink in quite a bit, but you need to let it rest for at least 24 hours. After a day, it feels much firmer, and I'd say it continued firming up for a couple days. Then it reached peak comfort. Best of all, total peace of mind. It's made with completely non-toxic materials using CertiPure US certified foam, meeting the highest safety and emission standards. And a bonus, the outer layer can be unzipped and removed. Both the bed frame and mattress are slip covered. Amazing for cleaning. It's finally time for my favorite part, styling the room. And I'm going to start by making the bed. And I'm going to make it like really cozy. How funny, I didn't even mean that. Cozy and cozy. Yes, I'm going to make it very cozy. I'm not just throwing blankets on a bed. I'm diving into the fine art of bed making. We want volume, texture, and crisp lines. Step 1 is the base. A mattress cover followed by crisp, high-quality sheets. And now my next layer are bed sheets from Cozey. These are the cool bamboo, and they do feel cool against the skin. But what I think is the coolest part is that the head foot part is labeled. So I know this goes either on the top or the bottom. I don't have to try to figure out, is this the sides, top? It's just so, how good is that? That's genius, Cozey, thank you. I wish all bed sheets had this. Okay, let's put them on. See, and I just know this goes right to the top. Ah, love it. These are fresh out of the wash and they're not even wrinkly. And yes, we're doing proper corner tucks like my mom taught me. I want that taut, clean hotel tuck. Step 2 is all about volume. A blanket with a bit of character. Then a fluffy duvet. Cozey's duvet cover has a feel of a cotton linen blend with a hint of casual rich wrinkles. It feels premium and has a zipper to close it up instead of flaps or buttons. Can't get better than that. Step 3, pillows. First layer are the sleeping pillows, covered in pillow protectors, tags cut off, and topped with a soft pillowcase from the Cozey collection. Next is one set of extra pillows covered in the pillowcases from the duvet set. These are great for extra support while reading or scrolling in bed. I ordered these pillowcases off of Amazon, and I think they fit in with my aesthetic that I'm going on here. They look luxurious, they feel really nice and soft. It's like a crushed velvet. I don't know, it kind of seems vintagey to me. And I want them to look really full and stuffed, like this. So I went to the dollar store, actually Dollarama, and I picked up this pillow. It's just like a regular sleeping pillow for $4.75. And that's what I'm going to use to stuff them for that really nice, full stuffed look. And when I say stuffed, yeah, it takes a little bit of stuffing to get them in, but it's totally worth it. Start with your corners and then just start stuffing. And remember to cut off this tag. It makes a lot of noise and that's just not 5-star. So perfect. And this is how the pillow look comes together. My friend Amy brought this blanket back from Scotland. It's beautiful and double-sided. I usually have a large plaid side showing, but I think the more subtle side will work better on the bed. This is my 5-star hotel. It came together perfectly. And not only does it look good, it'll provide a great sleep, a supportive mattress, a solid bed frame, and soft sheets. Thank you, Cozey, for helping me pull this off. The bed's made and it looks, can I say it? It looks cozy. It really does look cozy, but it also has like that high-end boutique vibe that I really wanted. It looks like something I just want to curl up in right now and take a nap, but I don't have time for a nap because I have decor to put up, like wall art and little like tchotchkes around the place. So I'm going to start with wall art, and that I just feel like art really gives a space personality. So this is gonna look good. Almost as good as the bed, but it's gonna look good. My modern vintage 5-star hotel bedroom is done. Okay, my thoughts on the Cozey mattress. The mattress, like Cozey, live up to the hype. It's a perfect balance between soft and supportive and cool and comfortable. And then paired with the Ara bed frame, this feels incredibly premium. A massive thank you to Cozey for collaborating with us on this series and helping us bring this dream bedroom to life. I'll put all the links to the mattress, bedding, and the Ara frame in the description below. I'm a Cozey cheerleader for life. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this transformation was, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! Okay, yay.